And this is the pig's resting place. Yeah, he's happy. Right, it's locked, isn't it?
Oh,
Let's take the steps again. Where are we going, Kate?
We are going to time how long it takes us to walk to our school from our apartment.
Yes, that's the plan. So we are
It's about half an hour.
So we are walking to the school now. It's 25 past 1. So let's see how quick we are. And after the school, we are going to do more shopping, get more essentials
Yep.
that we need. Right.
It's nice and cool actually.
Nice and cool, but it's pissing it down. And that's the forecast for the
Exaggeration, it's
next
spitting.
next 10 days. Spitting and pissing it down. Did you hear what I said? Pissing it down.
Yeah.
This is how you speak to the kids in the school. Kids, the pig says it's pissing it down.
Why are you even doing this? You wouldn't put it in the
Oh, I'm
video
not sure.
anyway.
Not sure. No?
No. God, I thought you might do.
And another echo teacher from the same school. Hello. Hello. Oh, we've just seen a pigeon. Amazing. The first pigeon. I can't see it now.
Seems to be quite a few birds tweeting in there.
Yeah. It's like a little urban forest patch. There are quite a lot of like these. You can hear animals actually. Birds and frogs and crickets. And I saw the first pigeon. The first pigeon, yes! That's a good thing. Amazing. We are by the school and apparently we marked it on the wrong map. I mean, we marked it on the map, but at the wrong location. So at least it's a good job that we came to the right direction. We walked to the right direction and we actually find the school, which is good. So this is ours.
I think the entrance we went to on Friday is just here.
So we are in the school again, just having a little look around. Somebody came and picked us up, so at least we are more familiar with it on Tuesday when we come. It was very good to come around today, because at least know how far it is, we know how far the school is, and we actually, like everybody's been working today, and so we could actually clarify quite a lot of things, like what classes we are teaching, what rooms we are gonna be in, and we also got loads of teaching, like we got teaching materials like books, which is good, very useful, isn't it, Kate?
Mm-hmm.
So a good project for today, and now we are going to do some more shopping, or at least eating something, because hardly had anything to eat and it's already like 3:30 and I'm just right, let's go. We are in a shop and Katie wants a tea, like an iced tea or something. Let's see. Have you found anything nice?
Vegetables.
Vegetables? Yeah!
A vegetable thing.
What are those?
I'm gonna... No idea. Try this pear.
You just want to buy one? To share?
Yeah, we share.
Okay, we share. Okay. What is this? 52%, look at that. 16, this is looking already much better quality than we had. Maybe we should take one.
£2.
That's fine, £2.
It's not a translucent bottle, so I can't see what it is. But this is the same. Look.
Yeah, but there are some crap ones that we used to.
Oh god, yeah, we tried.
See,
one.
yeah.
It's horrible.
But this one looks like a good quality. So let's take one. Looks like peanuts with some coat.
Butt peanut.
Butt peanut.
Love the crown.
Are you sure it's not butt peanut?
Many pair of sex.
That's great. That's great. Okay, we can
we'll
take this. Yeah. So you know that we like local shops, and that was a good one. We paid 135 yuan, which is about 15 pounds. Bought loads of extra stuff that we needed, and she even gave us some extra stuff like toothbrushes and a towel for free. Was it a towel?
Yeah.
Ah, amazing. Very kind. Very kind. So that's why we also prefer local shops, because they integrate a bit more. Right, how are those peanuts? How are they? Spicy?
No, they're like, it tastes like a deep fried peanut.
Deep fried peanut?
Yeah.
Let me try
It's
one.
quite sweet.
Oh yeah. I like this one. I need something like this now. I'm really hungry. Alright, let's walk that way. There's a restaurant as well, okay? So we are going to eat something because we are dying already. Alright, speak later. Right, tighty. So we finally found the restaurant. And I think Katie sorted out some food for us. Have you? Haven't you? What make did you make?
What?
Well, I mean, what?
要汤吗？还是炒的？炒的还是汤的？干的就是干的。
Just ask.
汤的还是要汤还是炒 ？Let me see if I can translate that. 他认识吗？就是说。
It's not gonna read it. No. No. That doesn't work, does it?
Have you got a phone to translate? 出来了。它能写吗？有图片吗？有电话？你有电话吗？有手机吗？就是吧。有啊。软件。翻译。See if we could get connecting to that, then I could just do the talking.
Yeah, but we can't. So we need to work around things. It's the most lost that we've ever been here in China. I mean, we still managed to got some food, so that's all right. I'm quite happy with this.
They might have been asking what we want to drink. They might have been asking us how we want to pay. Like, it wasn't going to be anything complicated, was it really?
No, we're gonna work it out later. We're gonna see what's happening. So, but we still, there's no internet. We couldn't hook on to anything, and we don't really understand them. So, this is life in China. So we have just left from the restaurant, and they were just talking to us, and we just didn't understand a thing. So, right, so everything is flooding now. It's so much rain. Right, we are coming back to the accommodation now. So, speak later.